Welcome to Jagran Public School, Noida. Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Students, today we will learn maths of class UKG. So first, let's see the topics which we are going to cover in today's maths class. First, we are going to do sequential counting 1 to 80. Second, we are going to do before and after numbers. Third, worksheets related to before and after numbers and sequential counting 1 to 80. So, let's start. So children, our first topic is sequential counting 1 to 80. Children, as you can see on your screen, this is sequential counting 1 to 80. In the first tens and ones column, you have to write counting from 1 to number 10. In the second column of tens and ones, you have to write counting from 11 to 20. In the third column, 21 to 30. Fourth column, 31 to 40. Fifth column, 41 to 50. Sixth column, 51 to 60. Seventh column, 61 to 70. And eighth column, 71 to 80. So you have to write sequential counting 1 to 80 in your notebook. So children, our next topic is after and before numbers. So here we are going to learn about after and before numbers through an example. So here you can see a bookstore and 5 children are standing in a line, which are Riya, Rahul, Ram, Sia and Kabir. So the first one which will enter the bookstore is Riya. After Riya, Rahul will go to the bookstore. After Rahul, Ram will go to the bookstore. After Ram, Sia will go to the bookstore. And after Sia, Kabir will go to the bookstore. So this is after. In Hindi it means बाद में. पहले सबसे पहले रिया बुक स्टोर जाएगी, उसके बाद राहुल बुक स्टोर जाएगा, उसके बाद राम, उसके बाद सिया और उसके बाद कबीर. तो ये जो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट है ये है आफ्टर. दिस इज आफ्टर. नाउ लेट्स सी आवर नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट which is before. So Kabir is standing at the last. So Sia will go before Kabir. सिया कबीर के पहले जाएगी बुक स्टोर में. राम will go before Sia. Rahul will go before Ram. And Riya will go before Rahul. So this is before. मतलब पहले. कबीर के पहले सिया बुक स्टोर जाएगी, सिया के पहले राम बुक स्टोर जाएगा, राम के पहले राहुल बुक स्टोर जाएगा एंड राहुल के पहले रिया बुक स्टोर जाएगी. So this is the concept of after and before. After का मतलब है बाद में and before का मतलब है पहले. So now let's do this worksheet of before and after numbers. Write the numbers that comes before and after the numbers on the watering cans. So here you can see watering cans and the number is written on it. The first one is 1, 3, 13. So the number which comes before 13 is 12. So we will write 12 in this box. And the number which comes after 13 is number 14. So we will write 14 in the box. So 12 comes before 13 and 14 comes after 13. Next is number 16. 15 comes before 16. 17 comes after 16. Next is number 11. 10 comes before 11 and 12 comes after 11. Next number 15. 14 comes before 15 and 16 comes after 15. Next number is number 17. 16 comes before 17 and 18 comes after 17. Next number is 9. 8 comes before 9 and 10 comes after 9. Now we'll see the next line. Number 10. 9 comes before 10 and 11 comes after 10. Number 14. 13 comes before 14 and 15 comes after 14. 18 comes before 19 and 20 comes after 19. 11 comes before 12 and 13 comes after 12. 19 comes before 20 and 21 comes after 20. 17 comes before 18
and 19 comes after 18.
So children, this is your next worksheet of before and after numbers. You have to write before and after numbers in the given boxes, and you have to complete this worksheet like I have taught you in the previous slide. Your next worksheet says write sequential counting 1 to 80. In the space given, you have to write sequential counting from 1 to 80. As you can see, there is the numbers written on the top. So you have to continue writing the sequential counting 1 to 80. So in this video children, you have learned about sequential counting 1 to 80 and the topic before and after numbers, and worksheets has been given to you. So you have to practice sequential counting 1 to 80. You have to practice after and before numbers. I hope the concept is clear to you all of after and before numbers. So keep practicing at home. Stay safe and healthy. That's all for today. Have a nice day and thank you.